Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making chocolate lamingtons a different way. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 160 fan forced oven or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, place oil, sugar, and blend. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. It is below where it says more. Press there. Add eggs and mix. A warm welcome to the new viewers. Please press the like button and the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Even if you are a regular visitor, please subscribe. Add vanilla extract or essence, then vinegar, and mix. Not for too long this time, just to blend them in. Sift in the flour, baking powder, and cocoa powder. A pinch of salt will do too. Push through the cocoa powder clumps, then mix with a spatula or spoon. Add hot water and mix until the batter is smooth. A big thank you to my returning subscribers, my family. Thank you so much for being such a great support. I smile when I think of you. Pour the batter into a lined baking pan. It's a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter baking pan. Tap the pan to eliminate air pockets, then bake for 30 minutes. Cool the cake for 10 minutes before taking it out of the pan. Once it's entirely cool, cut the dome if it has any. Cut square pieces. In a bowl, place milk, then in another one, place desiccated coconut. Then briefly dip each piece of the cake into the milk, all sides, then coat it with desiccated coconut. Do one piece of cake at a time until you finish coating it. Place the lamingtons on a rack to dry up, and you can wait for 2 hours, but I couldn't, I ate them. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts about this recipe. You may serve them with jam, like strawberry jam and cream. I hope you will enjoy these lamingtons. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.